This quick tutorial will show you how to set the dimensions of your poster using PowerPoint. First, go to the Design menu tab, choose Slide Size, which is on the right-hand side, and then from the drop-down menu, choose Custom Slide Size. It might also say Page Setup instead. In the pop-up window, set the dimensions to the instructed numbers. In this case, we recommend 140 centimeters by 70 centimeters. In inches, this is 55 inches by 27.5 inches. And hit OK. At this point, the system will show you two options about the content. It will either say scale or don't scale, or it might say ensure fit or maximize. If your slide is blank, it doesn't matter which option you choose, but if you already have content, then check both options to make sure your poster remains intact.